Yo, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Jamal from Blessed Investments, and if this is your first time on this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Let's get into it. So today's video is going to be about the absolute best Z Fold 2 accessories. And on a side note, I am using the Z Fold 2 to record this video right now, and I'm in the dual recording feature where it records both cameras at the same time. So let's flip it around and let's get to the back camera. Okay, so the first accessory that is the best for the Z Fold 2 is this bad boy right here. So this is a phone stand, but it's a really special and nice phone stand. Yeah, so as you can see, this phone stand is not an ordinary phone stand. It can do so many different things, so many different angles and gestures. Go all the way back, it can go flat, it can go down like this. It's just really cool. It's really nice when you add this onto the Z Fold 2, and it makes its experience so much better. When you're sitting at a computer desk, you can do things like this, propped up like that, and then boom. And then the best thing about it is that it's super pocketable, like very thin. It's as thick as the phone itself, and yeah, you can store that so easily. That's a really good accessory for this phone. The next best accessory, I'm gonna say accessories, because these two are kind of hand in hand together. See the bunnies in the background, but it's these right here. So this is a Bluetooth keyboard that folds up, so it fits that theme of portability and combination with this Bluetooth mouse right here by Microsoft. You know, the Microsoft Arc mouse, and yeah, this also folds it as well, so fits that theme of folding and you know, just portability. And you know, it's a folding phone. Why not have a folding keyboard and a folding mouse as well? And it's just super cool. Like, these work perfectly with this phone, and it basically turns this phone into a portable working station. So boom, got the stand, got the keyboard, and then the mouse, and there you go. You can get to work and use this phone as a tablet and put in that work just like you would with a computer, except on a smaller screen and taking up such a small real estate on your desk or wherever you are. So that's really cool. Put all these things in your bag and you're good to go. Takes up like little to no space. So yeah, those are the first three accessories. And yeah, the next accessory is this right here. This is a portable SSD, external SSD, and it works so nice with this phone. Like, when I'm recording videos like this, I use these to take the videos off of my phone and then put it on my computer, and also just organize files with my phone. Like, you can, when you're using Files app on Android, you can like add folders, you can change folder names, you can change file names, you can move them around, delete things. Perfect. So having a portable SSD like this is super nice with this phone, because this phone is a productivity phone. You can do so much on it. And now in combination with those, I basically have a computer or a laptop experience. So it's really nice, and it works perfectly with this phone. The next best accessory is a pretty obvious one. You probably heard people say this, but it's a controller that fits the phone in between it. So this is basically like a Nintendo Switch type of thing, copy controller. It's the Game Seer X2, and it works perfectly fine with the Z Fold 2. It fits nice and smooth. And the thing I like about this is that you know, the Z Fold 2, you can do different angles with it. I also have the Bluetooth one, and then if I don't want to play with the phone inside, I can just prop up my phone and then play like this, because it's Bluetooth. The Bluetooth one doesn't have the USB-C right here dongle, so it sits flat, and then because it does that, you can flip the Z Fold 2 around so that the charging port is at the top, and then boom, you can charge the phone while playing. This does allow pass-through charging, but it's only compatible with certain phones. It doesn't really work with my Z Fold 2. But yeah, this is just really nice to play games on, you know, emulators and things like that. It works perfectly, especially if you're playing older games like GameCube. The aspect ratio on the Z Fold 2 screen, it looks super nice. So yeah, this is a really blessed accessory for this phone. The next top accessory for this phone would be this bad boy right here. So people don't really talk about this a lot. They don't talk about, you know, pens and styluses and stuff like that, because Samsung themselves don't use these things on this phone. However, this one is pretty safe with it, because it has, I forgot what it's called, but it has like a, you know, cushiony type thing. It's kind of like your finger, but simulated. So it's pretty safe to use on the screen. It doesn't puncture it, it doesn't hurt it, different things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you an example. Like, it works pretty nice, pretty smooth. You know, it's a good drawing experience. Okay, so let's say I want to edit this photo. I'm gonna close this app right there. You know, I want to add some color to the sky. I can do that on this phone. With this, it's safe. It doesn't puncture the phone. Like, obviously, if you're being crazy and you push it hard or something like that, excessive force, then you're gonna damage the screen. But with this pen, no worries, no problems. Works super smooth. And then it helps me get more detail because it's a pen, right? More accuracy. And I can, you know, if I want to get into the trees over there, I can do that. So this is a really good accessory. I'm gonna link all this stuff in the description of this video. But this pen, super nice. I really like the build of it too. It's like a aluminum, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, it just feels really nice in the hand. It has a good weight and it looks cool too. And then yeah, so the next top accessory for this phone, especially if you're like me and you rock this phone without a case, then it's this right here. So this is kind of like a wallet case, or you know, like a bag or something to hold your phone in. It's not necessarily a case that you use with your phone in it all the time. So like, I'll show you. Basically, you flap it up, then you can just put your phone inside, and then boom. It has a magnet, so it sticks to it like that, and then boom. It's a little bit bulky, but it's actually really cool and sick, especially if you're going somewhere where you know you might be scared, because it's a more fragile phone and has like weaknesses like dust and dirt and stuff like that. So if you're going somewhere that's kind of like that, you can put this phone in here for extra protection, and it works really nice. And then it has a little clip back here, so you can clip it on your, you know, your pocket. And then it also has a card holder, so you can put like a card there. And yeah, it's a softer material, it won't scratch your phone inside. And one thing I really like as well is it has a pen slot, so you can put this pen, if you got this pen right here like me, then you can, well, I'm failing right now because it's the setup, but you can put this pen in there and then boom, that is super sick. Now my pen is ready to go. Put my phone aside, boom, ready to go. I got my pen right there, phone is ready. So now if I need to like draw or edit photos on the go, I'm ready, I'm protected, and I'm good to go. It has holes, you know, but I'm not too concerned about that. Just mainly, you know, if I drop my phone like that, my phone is good. So yeah. And now the last but not least blessed accessory is just a USB mic. So the reason why I say this is super nice is because, as you can see, I have my Shure MV7 right here. This mic is really nice. It has the aux output, and then also has a USB output. And I'm connecting this mic right here directly to my phone to film this video. And you've probably seen me other videos where I, you know, recorded videos with my phone and I use this mic. So super nice that you can connect microphones to the phone directly. And that's just not, it's not just this phone, but it's also other Samsung phones as well. However, this phone has so many different features. You can prop it up and do different things that this is just a perfect accessory for this phone. The endless possibilities that you can do with a USB mic on this phone. So, you know, starting a podcast, recording videos, vlogging, whatever it is, depending on your setup, this mic is perfect for this phone. So that is all the accessories. Of course, other things like external power bank and, you know, different things like that, but those are more generic. These are kind of generic, but at the same time they complement this phone so well. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these, you know, I'll link the Amazon link if I can find it. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Z Fold 2 sick phone. We out. Peace.